Hi there, Lisa Arana here, and welcome to another Assemble This video. Today's card is all about adding some dimension to this beautiful butterfly. Just by popping up those wings, it creates just a special effect for this birthday card. I'm featuring the Good Things with Wings stamp set from Unity Stamp Company. Just love all the sentiments in this kit, plus the two different size butterflies, which is perfect for this effect. I have my butterfly and sentiment pre-stamped on some Neenah Solar White cardstock and colored with Copic markers. I'll have the list of markers used in my supply list below. And then I die cut it into a stitched scalloped rectangle. I'm just going to adhere that to my card front, which is covered in some red striped pattern paper. Next, I'm going to add a bit of sparkle with the Wink Stella clear pen, just following the lines of the wings and not covering the entire image. I like the effect of having glitter and then a matte area right next to it, just so you get a little bit of contrast between the glitter and the image. I've also stamped the smaller butterfly and colored it in with the same Copic colors as well. I'm just going to fussy cut around this little guy with my favorite small scissors. And then I like to hide the edge of the wings and the white paper. So I'm just going to run my Copic marker, the darkest color that I used to color my image, just around the edges to hide the sides, and so it'll blend a little bit better. Next, I'm going to add some dimensional foam squares and then also add a bit of glue to the center of the butterfly and then hold it down with my tweezers just for a good moment or so, just to make sure I get a good bond with that glue. And then last, add a bit more sparkle with the Wink Stella, like I did to the bigger butterfly, to my smaller wings as well. Here is the finished card with that big butterfly colored with Copic markers, and then made extra special with the popped up wings and a bit of sparkle from the Wink Stella glitter pen. I'll have all the supplies listed below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it. Plus, if you have any questions or sweet comment, posts below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.